Hi guys, I'm Shiludu and I'll be taking you through a tutorial video on how to use Inshorts and its various features. So first of all, let's start with the categories option, where you can read any shortened news or any shortened news posts that are being circulated all over the world right now. So suppose if I want to read about my feed, then you click on my feed and you read all about what you want to know. And you could there is a section of all news, top stories. All news is a compilation of every news article about anything about coronavirus, India, business, automobile, fashion, etc. And these are the top story section, which is a compilation of all the popular stories that are very popular right now. And this is the trending option, and this starts the bookmark section, where you keep where you can bookmark certain news posts, and so that you can watch it later on when you're free or when you want to get back to it for future reference. And so this is the polls option, which allows you to participate in a civil discourse by participating in online polls, by sharing opinions, etc. So let's say government forms panel to study waiver of interest and loans and money during moratorium. So let's see if I agree with this proposal, then I can type yes. If I don't agree with it, I can click on no. So let's say no. Share this strong. So you get the drift. And this is the insights by Inshorts, where you get a comprehensive list of the various processes and the various news that are being circulated all over the world right now, and which is of very high importance. So right now the Xinhua data leak is of huge concern right now because of the implications of data surveillance and how our lives are constantly being monitored by technology. And suppose, let's say I want to share this news to my friend who is not very aware of this right now, and who doesn't read a lot of news. So I click on the share button, so I can share this post to anyone through WhatsApp, Instagram, Gmail, Zomato, Snapchat, etc. So let's click on the settings section. So if I want to, so I can sign it through many options like Facebook, sign it with Google, sign it with etc. That's not an option. So I can even change my language from English to Hindi. So there are only two language options right now, but there are plans to increase the number of languages further. So if you don't want notifications to strike up on your notification screen bar, then you can deactivate it or you can activate it. If you don't want AG images, you can click on no. If you want to have better eyesight for the future, etc., you click on the night mode, because it is less intrusive and less annoying. So this is it. And these are the various suggested topics under which you can read read news articles based on various niche interests that you have. For example, let's say I want to know about automobile, then I click here, and I can even share them like this, like the previous one, or you can even bookmark it so that I can come back to it for future reference. Or let's say I want to read something about coronavirus, because I'm really concerned about coronavirus. So this is the latest news about coronavirus. The coronavirus death toll in UK rises to 41,764. So if you want to so you can personalize your feed by choosing relevance color for this category. So if you want to personalize your feed like this, you can click on, let's say, measure stories, or you can even click, if you want all stories related to coronavirus, you can click on here. This is how you can personalize your feed and ensure that you get all stories related to coronavirus. And even if you want only the major news, like any breakthrough of any vaccine, etc., you can click on the major events. That's not a problem. Where any science, miscellaneous, education, sports, etc. Or you can even search for news, etc. That's not a problem. So that is it. Use the app properly, and it really helps you get updated with the news articles, with the news and recent happenings around the world, without having to skim through very long articles in the newspaper. Yeah, thank you.